insanity, stubbornness without a guide, broken humanity without good aim to feel this high. So what if I am? What does that make you in spite of me? My fixation, my discretion, oh, and my greed. When I've invested, you know I would not exchange. I must confess, you make it hard. You made it hard, I feel estranged. So what if I care so much and it hurts to be deceived? Maybe someday you'll know. Someday you'll be like. Someday you'll be like me. Was it always just a game? Or must I always take the blame for all into a constant pain? Yeah, I guess that I'm insane. Was it always just a game? Must I always take the blame? I'll endure constant pain.